I am Chizqi, and today I am hacking a fresh pineapple. So stick around to see how I get down and see my organic kitchen. We'll do all things organic.
Turn yourself up, captivate y'all, in case there's no time left. You gotta be willing to rely on your own capacity to grow yourself. So cease to put your life in the hands of somebody else. Take a kind of desire, y'all, to belong your health.
Welcome back. It's time to hack and pack. All we need for this one is a storage container, a cutting board, a beautiful, beautiful, fresh, organic pineapple, a couple of knives if you need it, preferably one with a jagged edge, and a freezer bag. And I'll show you what I do with that later. I'm going to test myself, see how fast I can hack this baby up. Now, if I did, I'd lose you. So let me take my time. So, first thing we want to do is let's saw the head off, spin it around, saw the bottom off, put that in the trash, stand her up. Oh, and let's go ahead and start carving the sides off. If you look at this, right, see I waited a little bit too long? Well, it's starting to turn kind of brownish. Still cool, we'll just do away with that part. So the way you know that it's ready to cut open, it starts to give off a strong fruit odor. That lets you know it's time. The longer you go, that starts to happen. It's cool though, we'll get it right. Now you want to cut deep enough, right? When you remove all these little things off the side. See what I'm saying? So if you don't go deep enough the first time, you just come back around and start just carving those things off. Concerning the little brown part, we're just gonna go a little deeper in that area. In my humble opinion, pineapples is a very, very healthy fruit. It's very high in manganese and just as well vitamin C. Two very, very important nutrients. I'm going to drop a little knowledge concerning pineapples at the end of the video. So stick around to receive that. Alright, so now we have the sides carved off. Let's go ahead and go straight down the center. Now you can lay it down like this and cut it straight down the center if you want to, or you stand it up, whichever is comfortable with you. I'm going to go for big boy here. Since it's a big pineapple, go for a longer knife, right? Lay it on the side and go straight down. Straight on down to the ground. Alright, so got that, right? Now we just lay it on the flat side so it won't be flopping all over the place. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut it through the center. Both sides. Alright, that's that. Now, if you see this here, right, you have here my fingers running down the core part of the pineapple. That part there is kind of unpleasant to eat, so you don't want that. So we're going to go ahead and stand these pieces up and going to go straight down to get rid of that core. hose running. Be careful, because it gets kind of slippery. You don't want to cut yourself. Alright, so before I cut the pineapples, let's go ahead and cut these for the core part up. So nothing goes to waste. That's the purpose of the Ziploc bag. That's the purpose of the freezer bag. Once we cut this up, we store it in the freezer bag, or we place it in the freezer bag and put it into the freezer. And we'll save that to use for smoothies. Once we run out of pineapples, we use this for smoothies. All right, get this nice and opened up. Put this up in here. Pineapple core up in this, keep on saying Ziploc bag, up in the freezer bag. I guess this is a Ziploc. It's called a Ziploc bag. Okay, there we go. It's a Ziploc bag. Ziploc freezer bag. All right. Cool. Fold her up. Put it to the side. Now it's time to go ahead and start cutting the pineapples. So, we'll put it the long way. Then on the flat side, instead of this side, because this side it kind of moves around. I don't want to slip, so then on the flat side. And just run that blade down the pineapple, just like so. Make sure the finger's out of the way. Now, just go ahead and dice it up to smaller pieces. I like mine to be kind of small. But I use mine for smoothies anyway, so it really don't matter how big or how small the pieces are. You make that distinction yourself. This is the part where I say, bam, Mike Tyson, that subscribe button. Whoa! Bruce Lee kick that notification bell, and boom, drop a people's elbow on that thumb up icon. That not only helps you, but helps others receive free health and wellness knowledge. All right, got the last piece hacked up. Now I got to clean up. Okay. All right, got my area all clean. Kinda. Almost. So, let's give it a taste test. Let's go for this big one right here. Let's call him a name. Amazing. I can feel it going down my esophagus, into my belly. I can feel that acidity healing my gut. The nutrients, that magnesium, the vitamin C is entering into my bloodstream. Man, I feel healthy already. I'm telling you. You got to go ahead and try fresh, organic pineapples. Anyway, that's our eye. Hack fresh pineapples. Give it a try. Let us know how it turned out in the comment section. I'll catch you back next time. And remember, keep all things organic.